guys, it's Arielle here from Fix My Books, and today I'm going to show you how to file your T4s online using an XML file. So this is also called an electronic transmittal. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it now. So first things first, open up your QuickBooks Online account and your CRA My Business account. Once you're in QuickBooks, go to Taxes, Payroll Tax, Filings. So once you're in this page, click Year-End Forms. So just stay there, and then on the CRA My Business side, go to Payroll. Go to your payroll account, click View and Pay Account Balance. Once you're here, double check this amount against your T4 summary. So I'm going to do that now. So here in QuickBooks, we are going to click T4 Summary. Make sure that it's the correct tax period, okay? So we're just going to do 2022. So click View. And then you can see this is your T4 summary. And then it says that your remittance is 14602.06, 14602.06. So 2022 matches exactly. So once that's done, we've confirmed that the remittances are exactly the same. That's perfect. We'll go back here, click back. It will take you back to this page, the filings page. Again, go to year-end forms and then click T4 slips employer. Once you're here, you'll see it says before you file it online, enter transmitter number. So click that. Once you're here, you are going to enter your transmitter number if you have one. If you don't have one, you can request one from the CRA so you can call them up. So this is the number, 1-800-665-5164. And then actually, when you call them up, they will tell you you need to send an email to this particular email with these details to request it. So calling the number will only let you know the instructions to send the email, by the way. So just an FYI. So if you don't want to call up and get your own number, you can just use this, right? So it's generic. It's MM and then 6 5s. So if you don't have one, you're going to put 6 5s in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then click OK. So since we have our own transmitter number, I entered that over here, and then I'm going to click OK. So once that's done, it's going to give you like a weird sort of error. That's what I mean. But that's fine. We're just going to go back to the same place again, and then that error will be fixed. So go to Taxes, Payroll Tax, again, Filings, Year-End Forms. Click T4 Slips Employer, and then you see how the little yellow box is gone now? And then it says either View or Submit. So this is the XML file, right, that I mentioned a while ago. So just click Submit. And then it will let you download that file. So click the Export T4 file. So we'll click this. We'll download the T4. And then go to the CRA website. So we are already in the CRA website. So all we're going to do is we're going to go back. And then once you're here in this page, in the payroll page, go to File a Return. Click Internet File Transfer. Choose your file. And then click the XML file that we downloaded from QuickBooks. And then click I certify that the attached return is complete and accurate. And that's it. You've filed it. But all we need to do now is to take a screenshot of the confirmation receipt, just to double check that we have a copy, and then that's fine. So check back in a couple of days in your CRA My Business account by going to Payroll, and then click View Return Details over here. And then once you click back in here after a couple of days, you should see the reporting year 2022 here. So again, it does take a couple of days to show up. So don't worry if you file it and then you don't see it here right away. Okay, so that's it. That's how you file T4s using an XML file from QuickBooks Online. Thank you guys. Have a great day. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you always get notified whenever I upload new videos to my YouTube channel. And once again, this is Arielle from Fix My Books, helping you fix your books.